SEO is changing fast for 2026. Let's break down what you absolutely need to know.
Okay, let's get right into it. The old rules are out. Yesterday's tricks, they just won't cut it.
It's a huge shift, really, from spammy tricks to what real people actually want and trust.
So, what's behind this change? Well, it's advanced AI. It now gets why you're searching.
So to thrive now, your content has to be genuinely helpful. It's really that simple.
And that brings us to Google's big thing for credibility, EEAT. Experience, expertise, authority, and trust.
Basically, Google wants to see that you actually know your stuff. You gotta prove it. So yeah, the whole more is better content strategy, that's completely over. Quality beats quantity every single time.
It's not about just keywords anymore. It's about what the user actually wants to find.
And when you look closer, this motivation usually falls into three main buckets. So you have to match your content to exactly what they're trying to do.
And hey, don't forget this. If your site is slow or confusing, people will leave, and Google notices.
These signals, speed, stability, and mobile friendliness, are now huge ranking factors. Get them right.
The connection here is crystal clear. A great user experience means you're going to rank higher.
And it's not just typing anymore, right? People are using their voice, their cameras, search is everywhere.
For local businesses, this is non-negotiable. Your Google business profile is your new digital front door.
Building authority is a two-part game now. Getting quality links and building a brand people actually look for.
And what about AI? Use it as a tool, sure, but Google's still rewarding real human insight.
Okay, so what does this all boil down to? SEO in 2026 is really about three key things.
Here's your blueprint. Help users build trust and deliver value. You do that, you win.
The game is always changing. The real question is, are you ready to change with it?